To the course we go now. Tennis at Jamaica will have to use a new venue for the Davis Cup as the Eric Bell Tennis Center is currently under heavy renovation. It has been confirmed that the nation will host Uruguay in a crucial Group 2 Davis Cup playoff tie in February, on February 7 and 8 in Kingston. It will be the fourth Davis Cup the tie hosted locally in the last 5 years, after Jamaica went more than 15 years without staging the event. President John Azar says the matches will be played on outdoor hard courts at a venue to be confirmed. He says he's making sure the team gets all they need to be ready for Uruguay.
3 Group 2 playoff ties at the Eric Bell National Tennis Center. Unfortunately, due to heavy construction taking place at the venue, we have had to source an alternate venue. We're finalizing those details, and a formal announcement will be made in the next couple of days. It's the same hard courts. It's courts our players are very accustomed to. They're looking forward to it. And Uruguay's, traditionally, their players are playing on clay courts. So we certainly do feel that we'll have the
A 3-member technical panel has been appointed to oversee preparation and selection and has provisionally named Blaise Bicknell, Randy Phillips, Daniel Azar and John Chin to the squad subject to fitness. 2 training camps are scheduled ahead of the tie, with the final team to be named closer to match time.
We're hosting another tie of this nature here in Jamaica. We're looking forward to it. The guys are well prepared. We've had 1 mini camp already in December. We had the All Jamaican National Championship, which is a great tune-up for many of the players. We'll be having a second camp this coming weekend, and then a final camp the week of the tie itself.